Kenny said you all been busy.
Yeah, it's a crazy year, boy.
Yeah? Why do you think that is? Good for you guys.
For 40 people.
I see another Ferrari in your
Lamborghini in 3 more days.
Yeah? I'm half joking. No kidding.
Yeah.
Good for you.
What color?
Matte black.
Oh, that'd be cool.
Spider.
Where do they come out of? Get the import?
It's coming. It's in
Philly?
Ordered at a year ago.
Coming through Philly?
No.
No? What are you doing, Santos? How are you, bud?
Yeah, you.
Doing good?
Yeah.
Looking good out here. A lot of work. This looks really good. Santos? Rudy, you doing good? A lot of work. Getting this all dialed in. A lot of trees. How many trees you put in? 30? 28, 30? There's a lot. You put a lot of trees in here. Ripped out all the old. Old was getting woody, wasn't it?
Yeah, they were
18?
grown.
Stone was a good idea. When you were telling me that Saturday, I couldn't place it. Then I see it now, like, now I know why.
Yeah, because
Yep.
so much stone and dirt.
Yeah, all ends up in there. No, that's smart. But what you were saying to me Saturday, I was trying to picture it in my mind, right? Now I see it, it's like a good idea.
The fashion they use is problem when you walk.
Yeah. Yep. But it keeps the green a lot cleaner, though. He was telling me Saturday about the stone. I couldn't get it in my mind how it was going to look. This really looks good. You know? Is that your idea? No?
I only care about cars and guns.
Cars and guns? Women?
And money. More interest.
More interest. That's good interest, though.
Say my wife would too about those. Are they gonna like be too bright where they're blind you? Should they be pointed like this way maybe? Or
Well, we can turn them up and down. You know, you got the high-end lights, so we can do whatever we want. You know? Watch
now on some, those original lights are junk.
Yeah?
Yeah. High failure rate.
Were they? I didn't know nothing about that.
Out of the 75 or 80,
Yeah?
21 or 22 were replaced within a week. 21 within a week and a half.
You never told me that, did you?
Yes.
You did?
Swap most of them.
Yeah.
Oh, we did?
Yes. You came swap 20
Okay.
or 21 right away.
Oh, okay. All right.
That to fail like they're
That's a
junk.
little high.
It was high.
Those lights ain't cheap.
No.
I thought you were kidding, but you
Oh, I'm
did
not
great.
kidding at all.
Wow. I don't remember that many failure. Wow.
I wouldn't have said 20, but I remember we came back and swapped a bunch out of them.
Did you?
There was 21 and 2 or 3 more that said fuck off.
That was the first prototype of the BTs?
It was.
Okay.
Yeah.
But that's a 10% failure rate.
That's high. Yeah, but we had a couple over at my house too, remember? The failure. We had a couple right out of the box this summer.
This was
Who
within
failed.
a week.
Yeah. Well, it wasn't that many, but it was enough to get on my nerves. It just one. I couldn't get it to sync right.
When you release something that shouldn't be released,
Yeah.
it makes
No.
it very
Oh, I
hard
agree.
to sell a product.
I agree. Yeah, because there's no trust factor there. And when I'm using it at my own house, it's like you doing, what you do for a living here, come here, and it does something don't work.
I've had a couple bad jobs where they cost thousands.
Yeah, it just pisses you off.
Well, you can't fix it.
Anyway, but yeah, we can adjust these, whatever we want to do.
Would you have done those type though?
Yeah, absolutely. No, there's nothing wrong with the application, just want, but
If you went any smaller, it wouldn't be.
yeah, it wouldn't be effective for what you want to do.
They should be pointed, like, they should be touching the ground like Rudy's doing now.
Yeah.
And so he'll do that with the other floor,
Yeah.
whatever the hell it is.
Yep.
Cool. And this, we're gonna just point at the tree?
Yeah. Izzy has a question. Is it how much light will be in your eyes from the house at night?
Not in the house.
Oh.
When you're putting.
Oh, when you're putting.
You see it's right in your eye.
Yeah.
Drop it off next to the attic.
Low as you can. Yeah.
What about this? You make the red, having it roll. Can you make it higher?
Yeah, I got a whole bunch of risers up the top.
That's what we should do then.
I got a box right there. I think it's 6-inch right here.
Just bring them over tomorrow, raise them, root. raise them up a little bit, and like Izzy said, have a tilt on it, and then we'll have to come take a look at them and see. I guarantee it'll be one or two that'll be right in your eyes. No, we'll take care of it, but I'm just saying there'll be one or two that'll be real annoying. Well, I don't know which ones that is right now, but I guarantee you that. You know how that goes.
If they're all raised.
Yeah. But it's still, you know what I mean, until we do that, it'll be one or two that'll be like, what the heck? We got to get rid of that. But it'll be nice out here at nighttime, though. I think I'll put a ticket booth right here at night, and I can sit out here and collect people come out here and putt. Now, it's going to be nice at nighttime. Remember years ago we put that big net up there? That was a long time ago, wasn't it?
Yeah.
15 years ago?
Yeah, he's probably 10, 12 years old.
We put a net up there in the woods when we get back.
Inlaid with a target.
It's a good target.
Oh my God. I'm thinking about this one over here. Put that on the stake riser. One right there. Raise that one up. Root.
There's one way here.
Yeah. We'll raise that up tomorrow morning.
And put it down.
Probably that one, or maybe those two in the back.
Yeah, to get up over top. If not, it's not going to give you that much
What
light.
about those two?
I'm not sure about those. Definitely those two is. That one over there for sure.
Okay.
Those three for sure, Root. I mean, maybe we should do all of them. Get them up a foot, 6 inches. You know?
6 inches.
Well, it would take off the hot, you know,
It would provide
hot-
more cover.
yeah.
Let's do.
Let's do them all.
One more.
Yeah, let's do them all tomorrow. Take some time tomorrow, get this right.
Okay. Can you
Oh, I know he knows how to use this app. Remember the time we were here?
Yeah, the
Before we
first
even got to figure it out, he had them all on.
How's the trees going?
Excellent. That was a hot day when you were there, remember?
Yeah.
That was a burner.
Well,
Jimmy's a piece of work. No, we had him running 40 minutes a day, twice a day. 40 minutes a zone, twice a day. Never lost one plant. Didn't lose one leaf.
Really?
No. That one just went off. That one's on. Now you got it on bright white. On. They grabbed that one. It blinked. Grabbing that one. They've had a lot of improvements since the first round of these fixtures.
So there's 11? Or
It
does
should
it-
be
or is
12
it
total. 10 lights with 2 antennas.
Easy now. Easy. Easy. Uh-oh. I'm going to have sensitivity training out here with you guys.
No sensitivity training.
Removing sensitivity training.
It's not on this property, on this corner. No sensitivity. If you got thin skin, don't come to this home.
He said he don't like maricon.
You don't like nobody. That's what he called me the other day. He said, I don't like you. I don't like nobody. I'm just calling you because I need lights. Click.
The one didn't turn green.
No.
Yes.
No. Tell him, Root. You got purple over here for Halloween. I got purple and red for Halloween.
So one bang right off the bat.
I don't think so. We'll take it off. Delete it. No, I see it. But why don't we delete it and add it back?
Rudy, can you undo the wire nuts on that one?
Let's refire that one back up.
Okay. After you do that.
Yeah, they need to be raised. All you're going to have hot spots here at night is. Yeah, take that one off, Root, and we'll have Izzy re-add it.
If that doesn't work, I have one at the shop. You can raise them all. Or you edit it on
It happens.
Change it. What do you mean?
Rudy pulled them up on his phone and was changing the lights. So that,
The thing is that once they're all dialed in, then they're there for life. That's what I figured at my house after doing it enough that, you know, remember we had a couple problems.
There's 2 or 3
Yeah.
that are
Got
just
the green
blue
one
on.
here.
And then one out there and a couple back here are one color only.
Okay, we'll get you fixed up. There he goes. He took that apart and then we'll put it back
You got an
together.
electrician that you sub shit to?
Yeah.
Can he tell you see that thing is wired hot all the time? Can he bring a switch down?
For your floods? Yeah. We'll have Sean over here.
So just stop it.
yeah, it should be good. Hit that. Rudy, what are you doing? It was on. There we go.
Now it's good.
Yep.
Good job, Rudy.
Now it's all green. I noticed it the other day it was stuck on green. I didn't think that was right.
And this one is always blue. Is that blue?
It's orange.
Is it orange?
Yep.
You need to restake that. Hey, Root, you get a chance tomorrow? Fix this, will you?
So this one here.
Huh?
This one's the one that's stuck green.
That's stuck green. This color's fine. It's just the light is kind of weird. Fix that up tomorrow, will you?
Okay, I have it too, but like the one the take
Took them out.
Yeah.
This pathway is stuck in the wrong color. I was stuck when I was over here last week with you. Green. Oh, up top. That's one of the ones you and I put in a couple years ago. Bad batch. Bad batch of fixtures. Yeah, it's a brand new technology. Remember back then? Some of those drivers weren't good. For whatever reason, that happens. People release stuff too fast. That happens to every manufacturer. I don't care if it's lighting or irrigation or any product. The first batch always comes out. There's always little glitches.
Yep.
That's just normal. You ready? All right. We head to another job site. We'll see you guys in a little bit. Thanks for watching this episode of Life of a Contractor, and we'll see you next week with another episode.